So I'm going to, in this video, talk about how to create products that are going to be purchasable from this newsletter archives list. I have done several of them. At the moment, there are about 18 in there. But these little purchase icons over here, like for instance this one for 8/2013, you click it and it says not available at this time because there's no link there yet. The product doesn't exist. So let's make it. Now this is for Vincent Jenna and the date is August of 2013. Let's pop back over into our dashboard. Now I have another window open here, so I'll just pop back over here. Now, just to keep it simple, I happen to know that there is another Vincent Jenna, like this one right here, from 2011. Now what's really handy is they give you a duplicate function. So we'll click duplicate. It's waiting. And this will, of course, give us a duplicate product that has all the right features, and we just need to change a couple specific things like the path to the download file itself, the date of it, that sort of thing. Okay, there it goes. So here it is. Now you notice it says copy here, which is correct, and the title is going to be different. So let's pop back over here. It's going to be Past Life Regression for Present Life Understanding. Let me see. I can just drag across it like that and copy that text so I don't have to retype it. I'll pop back over here and I'll replace it. And the date was, what was it? August 1st, right? August 1st, 2013. So I'll highlight all this and say Aug 1, 2013. Okay. And upon saving it, we'll just say publish for now. That should update our permalink. We'll know in a moment here. Notice the permalink is still the old one. It has the old stuff. See, now it updated, and the permalink includes the proper name. You know, it builds a link based on the title of the thing. Okay, now we're going to be messing with the descriptive text here in a minute, but for now, let's at least point to the correct media files. And what I mean by that is, I mean the download. Now, the way this thing works is this is a kind of product where you can purchase a regular CD. Actually, it takes up two CDs, two audio CDs, or you can purchase a CD which contains MP3 files, or you can purchase a download. This is called a variable product. There are different types of products, but this is a variable product. And if we go into variations here, these are our three variations: download, audio set, or MP3 CD. So if we go, let's see here. So these are our three variations. Now we need to establish the link to the downloadable file. Now it may not be very obvious, but the way this works is there you see a little arrow thing. Click on that and it expands. You'll notice that it says it is enabled, it is downloadable. It's a virtual product. So it's virtual, it's not a physical thing, and it's something that you download. There's the price, $5. Now, This is the important part here. That's the file path. Okay, now that's the other one. Now, what I've done is I have, in another window here, FileZilla open, pointing to the SFF site. Now at the moment I'm up at the public HTML level. Go into all recordings. Let's go into Vincent Jenna. Now, here's the 2011 lecture and then a lecture clip. We'll talk about the clips shortly. And then the 2013 and the 2013 clip. Now in FileZilla, there's a very handy little thing here. You can right click and say copy the URL. Now that URL by itself is not what you need. It is in fact a it's an FTP URL. I'm going to launch Notepad here. I'm going to paste that in. So there's the big URL. And you notice it's an FTP. That's not what we want. Let's look at the format of this one here. I'm going to copy that. I'll pop back over to Notepad. I'm going Alt-Tab in case you don't know about that. Now this right here, that's the 2011 format. And that's what we want. Here, I'll widen this out so it won't wrap as much. There. All right. So the URL starts with the domain and then jumps into the All Recordings folder. So really, to convert this, all we need to do is just take the domain here and put it in there like that. And you notice it's actually exactly the same except for one digit. Could have just done it that way too. But this is just a general technique on how to do things. So we've got 3 programs open, but it helps. Anyway, we're going to copy that to the clipboard. Just going to go right back in here. Generally, if you triple click, it'll highlight the whole path. Paste that in. Again, it says 2013. That's what we want. And it already has the correct featured image because we are using another Vincent Jenna. Now, if it had been a different person, we'd remove it, and there's a button there that says Select Featured Image, and we go into our media library and we pick an image. But this is all we need. Okay. Now, to save my work, I'm going to update that. Now, the other thing that needs to be done here is to change the first paragraph. All of these products, the only thing that varies in the text are the first couple paragraphs. So I'm going to pop back over here, and there's this PDF flyer that's available. I'm going to click on that, and that should give me the text for that first paragraph. Wow, this is pretty long. I wonder if I can select that. Well, you know, let's see here. I'm just going to take this paragraph right here to start with. It can easily be altered at any time. But fortunately, you know, it's a PDF, and I can just copy the text. Copy, close that out, pop back over here, put that right there, and it's August 1, 2013. Now I noticed that this one actually has a link to a preview clip. Now the syntax here, let's see here. There's a syntax using these square brackets. This is called a short code in WordPress speak.